Hey guys, we just want to bring you a real quick video to let you guys know that tonight is going down. Angel on the Go is going live at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we are going to show you the mess that we call a reseller's life over here. We're going to go through some of the things that we got through this entire time we've been sending out videos. You don't want to miss what's going to happen tonight. We're going to answer questions. We're going to talk about reselling. We may show you how to list. Whatever questions you guys have, let us know and we can go from there.
You guys do not want to miss this live at all. We're going to be up late answering every single question you have.
You know, last time that turned to 4 hours.
I mean, today it might be 8. I don't know.
I don't know about that, y'all. All right. So anybody who at this point is looking to start reselling, and we get a lot of comments about it, this is the time to get those answers. Whether you're new, whether you're experienced, if you have something that you do that you can share, bring it. So don't forget to follow us on all of our social media sites. At Instagram, it's angelonthego0430. And if you have any specific questions, a lot of times if you send it there, we will absolutely answer those questions for you. If you're a TikToker, it's Angel on the Go LLC at whatever TikTok is at that point.
Follow us.
And then just get ready, have your questions ready. Tonight is the night. It's going down. Angel on the Go.